Hi, it's Tim here at Bank Chevrolet, and today I want to talk about some of the great family-friendly features of the all-new Chevy Traverse. Now, the Chevy Traverse has 3 rows of seats. It's a great family hauler. And one of the features you may not even think about is the detents in the rear doors. We've added another one, so there's 3 different stops in the door. And that allows the door to open even wider, so when you're trying to buckle in a child into a car seat, the door's not in your way. But also, if the kids are getting in and out by themselves, this first one maybe prevents the door from hitting the car next to you in a tight parking spot. So something you never think about, but a little added feature to make the vehicle more usable. And inside, we've got some great new features with the second row seats. So there's 2 ways for this rear seat to fold. One is to fold it down, so if I'm loading cargo in, and I'll show you that in a minute. The other is if I just need access to the 3rd row. And in this case, I've got a booster seat in the 2nd row, and I don't want to have to remove the booster seat to get into the back. Press the release button, and the seat sort of slides and folds forward, keeping the angle so that the booster seat moves with it, and it doesn't have to be removed, and it doesn't interfere with the seat's operation. And now I can just hop right into the back. Another feature is there's a second switch for that right here on the back, so the passenger in the back can create that process without the need for somebody outside the car to do it. So great functionality there. In this model, it's power. In our other trim levels, it may be a manual lever up here, but it works the same way. And this works for both the passenger side and the driver's side seat. So you can do this on either side. They both work the same. And every trim level, the seat works the same way. It's just whether it's power activated or manually activated. So now with the car seat removed, say I want to fold all the seats down because I want to put some long items in the back. The other handle here, the seat just flows flat. When the 3rd row's folded, it's a nice flat floor front to back. Lots of cargo space, can haul a lot in there. And the other feature while I'm right here is the seat is on tracks, so it has the ability to slide forward and back. So again, if I have a small child here who doesn't need the leg room, but I have a larger, maybe teenager in the back, I can slide this seat forward to give more leg room in the back. Or if I'm going to put adults in the middle row here, maybe slide it all the way back to give them a little more leg room in the front. So a lot of versatility in the 2nd row of our SUVs. Come on down to Bank Chevrolet. We're happy to show you those great features. Check out the seating in our new Traverse. Take one for a test drive. I'm sure you'll be pleased too.